See, I have a small, super small, one item Tuesday morning item. I went to Tuesday morning to see if I can find any red liner tape, and of course, they didn't have any. Their craft section is almost completely depleted. So, but I did find this one item. So let's take a look. Sorry for the noise. They're the French scissors. They were $6.99, and they're pink, of course, from American Crafts. So let's open it up. And there. Let's see how they work. Get a piece of paper. This is so weird. French fries. Oh, nice. Let's try a little something. I have some glitter construction paper. It's heavyweight. It has a little sparkle glitters. I'm not sure where I purchased it. I cannot remember. So I pulled out, let's see, some strips. I cut, they're 1-inch strips for red, white, and blue. Where's my other blue one? Uh-oh, what happened? Let's see. Here it is. I'm gonna try this and see if it works. I'll try. Maybe like Levo. I'm not sure how much that is. And cut. You got to make sure you move it over. So the next one will be, I don't know why I made it so long because I'm actually, let me try and see if I can do 2 at once. Yes, I can. I was going to make a A2 size card, just a real simple one, just to see how this looks. Using some fringe. Do one more here. Now let's see if we can do 3 at one. Ooh. Yes, we can. So you can at least throw 3 construction paper. So that means you can do more with the printer paper because it's thinner. Cardstock probably would stick to maybe 1 or 2, but you can always try. It doesn't hurt to try. So, let's see those here. And this sheet of paper is 4 inches by 5 1/4. So just hopefully I'm gonna leave a little bit at the top, and then I'm just planning on Oh, silly me. You're supposed to start with red. Red, white, and blue. Just kind of give me an estimate. So I can always remove that. Oop, I don't want to put too much blue. It's going to leave a little. Well, let's go over a little bit so I can just. Yeah, I didn't mean to put too much glue. And I'll probably fast forward this section so you won't. Oops. And is it still? Oops. Just put a tab back on it. Just make sure. And I decide. Oh, silly me, but it's okay. Oh, maybe it's gonna come out. It's okay. I guess if you wanted more better evened out colors, you probably could just make it maybe 3/4 of an inch. May work out a little bit more even, but that's okay. All right. Yeah. And turn over. So. And like I said, you can do this with any colors that you like. But since 4th of July, Memorial Day just happened, and 4th of July is coming up in a couple months. Yes, not a couple months, actually, a month and a week. It will be here. So, and this is the A2. It's 4.5. No, 4 1/4 by 5.5. And you can, oops, glue it on here if you want, or you can have like a blue background. Yeah, blue might be okay, or black if you want to. I wouldn't do red because I think this is kind of blend in the. Let's do this. I think red would just be too much red. And you can make this. You can even do this for a graduation card because you can do the school colors. So Yeah, you can do school colors. And you can put anything on her. You can put, whatever. You can do even Goodwill. Get well card. I don't know why this needs to be pulled off. And here you go. Have the fringe. And my scissors. It's saying, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your support. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Toodaloo.